Here's how to fix dead pixels without dropping money on a repair. Quick heads up, one of these methods uses rapidly flashing lights, so skip that part if you have photosensitive epilepsy or seizure concerns. Right-click the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Hit System on the left, then Display. You'll see your current screen resolution sitting there. Try switching your resolution to something different first. Just click that drop-down and pick a lower setting. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes the screen just needs a small poke to wake up those stuck pixels. Switch it back to your normal resolution and see what happens. That didn't work? Time to get weird with it. Open your browser and look up pixel fixing videos. You want the ones that flash red, green, blue, white really fast. Heads up, this is the rapidly flashing lights part. Makes your screen look like a disco, but that's the point. The crazy flashing can actually shock a stuck pixel back to life. Put it in full screen and make sure those colors hit your dead spot. Let it go for maybe 20 minutes. If still no luck, then here's where it gets hands-on. Turn your monitor off and grab a soft cloth. Press gently right on that dead pixel spot. Hold it for about 10 seconds, then turn the monitor back on while you're still pressing. Let go slowly. Sounds crazy, but pixels are basically tiny switches that sometimes get jammed. A little pressure can unstick them. Got a laptop? Just close it and open it a bunch of times. The screen flexes a bit each time, and that can fix connection problems that make pixels act dead. You can also download software that does the color flashing thing automatically. Search for pixel repair tools and grab one. These programs hammer specific areas of your screen with rapid color changes for hours. Position it over your problem pixel and let it work overnight if you want. The constant bombardment wears down whatever's keeping the pixel stuck. Stuck pixels respond way better to all this than truly dead ones. If your pixel shows red or green or blue all the time, you've got good odds. If it's completely black, that's a dead pixel, and these tricks probably won't help much. But hey, these methods cost nothing and beat buying a new screen.